Hey everyone! For today I'm here in Shibuya, one of the most iconic places in Tokyo. From its modern skyscraper to its traditional temples, and of course, the famous Shibuya Crossing. Tara, samahan niyo ako and let's explore everything in Shibuya has to offer. First stop, Meiji Jinju. And look guys, you will see a massive torii gate at the entrance. It is a peaceful place na perfect na ma-explore. Especially kung gusto mong magpahinga mula sa busy na city life. Isa sa mga pinakamagandang part dito sa area na to ay yung surrounding forest. Ang daming trees and it feels like you are far away from the city kahit na nasa heart of Tokyo ka lang. Malaking lugar siya, about 70 hectares. And guys, perfect spot ito kung gusto mong mag-relax or mag-walk sa nature. While walking, you will see the display of the beautiful sake barrel. And alam niyo ba na each barrel, it represents respect and gratitude towards the spirits. Ang sake kasi is not just for drinking, it's also considered as a sacred offering. So, nandito tayo ngayon sa main shrine ng Meiji Jinju. This is where people come to pray and offer their wishes. And alam niyo ba na ang Meiji Jinju is dedicated to Emperor Meiji and Empress Shoken, na nagkaroon ng malaking papel sa modernisasyon ng Japan. It's really a peaceful place if you want to reflect or connect with the spiritual side of Japan. And syempre, hindi mawawala ang picture dito. So guys, pakita ko sa inyo yung mga kuha ko. Meiji Jinju is a really must-visit place kung pupunta kayo ng Tokyo. Whether you're into culture, history, or just need some peace and quiet, this is the perfect place for you. Next destination is Takeshita Street. This is one of the most famous street located in Harajuku district of Tokyo. Dito makikita yung mga unique mixed fashion, food, and culture. Madaming store dito na may mga adorable accessories, clothes, and character item. Overall, Takeshita Street is a lively, fun, and energetic place na perfect for shopping, eating, and soaking up. And it's definitely a must-visit spot kapag andito ka sa Tokyo. Next stop, Shibuya Crossing. One of the most busiest and most famous pedestrian crossing in the world. As you can see, sobrang daming tao. This is what makes it so famous. Ang crossing na to connect multiple street and kapag nag-green light na, lahat ng tao sabay-sabay tumatawid from all direction. It's like a big wave of people and it's definitely an experience na hindi mo pwedeng palampasin kapag nandito ka sa Tokyo. Ang daming places to chill habang nag-e-enjoy ka sa view ng crossing. Kung gusto mo ng good food and drinks, you'll have to check out their cafes and ramen restaurant. Ibang level talaga ang Shibuya. Parang ang daming nangyayari sa paligid mo tapos bigla mong makikita yung mga high-tech na billboards. Iba talaga yung vibe na feel mo talaga you're in the heart of Tokyo. Dito mo rin makikita yung mga brand na trendy plus maraming Japanese store na unique lang na dito makikita sa Japan. One thing na gustong-gusto ko sa Shibuya aside from the shopping is yung diverse culture. Makikita mo dito yung mixed Japanese traditions and modern influences. From the high-tech gadgets to traditional Japanese snack na sobrang interesting ang combination. At syempre, papahuli ba si Hachiko? One of the famous landmark dito sa Shibuya. From the movie Hachiko, true story talaga siya. Symbol of loyalty and faithfulness. Kung fan kayo ng Nintendo games, this is the place to be. So pagpasok pa lang, mararamdaman mo na yung saya. Ang daming cool items dito, from video games, figures, hanggang sa mga accessories. Kung gusto mong mag-collect ng Nintendo items, this is the shop like a paradise. Kung ikaw ay may favorite Nintendo games, may chance kang makita ang mga special edition dito. And check this out guys. Ang cute ng Mario figures. Tapos may mga exclusive items pa dito na hindi mo makikita sa ibang places. Next stop, Pokemon Center. And if you're a Pokemon fan, as in super fan talaga, I'm sure mag-e-enjoy ka pagpasok mo pa lang dito. Look at this guys. Sa entrance pa lang makikita mo na ang legendary Pokemon na si Mewtwo. One of the psychic Pokemon. And check this out guys, sobrang daming stuffed toys. All types of Pokemon andito din. At hindi lang toys ang meron dito. Mayroon ding bags, accessories, mugs, and even exclusive Pokemon collector's item. And guys, look what I've found. Adorable Molly figures. Ang cute diba? First time kong makakita ng mga collector's item na ganito in person kasi most of the time nakikita ko lang siya na ina-unbox sa vlog ni Miss Marian Rivera. Sobrang dami nilang design and each one feels like a mini work of art. Makikita nyo, sobrang detail niya and only fewer were made. Perfect talaga ito for serious collector. If you're a fan of a cute and unique decor, I highly recommend adding some of this to your collection. And syempre guys, save the best for last. So last na pupuntahan ko is ang One Piece or Mugiwara store. Kung One Piece fan ka like me, this place is heaven. Sa entrance pa lang, makikita mo na yung mga life-size figure ng mga One Piece character like si Luffy, si Sanji, si Chopper. Yun lang guys, hindi kasi allowed mag-take ng video sa loob ng store. Pero nag-a-allowed sila na mag-take ng picture. Then nakita ko tong life-size figure ni Shanks. So kinapalan ko talaga yung mukha ko, naghanap ako ng random strangers para may mag-take ng picture sa akin. O diba, dahil makapal ang mukha ko, may picture na ako. Marami akong nakitang exclusive merchandiser sa loob from figures, t-shirt, and keychain. Lahat. Kahit yung mga limited edition items nila, nariyan na. And check this out guys. I purchased one keychain in Mugiwara store. And sobrang cute niya. Tignan nyo naman guys. Isang small figure stuffed toys ni Zoro. Which is my favorite anime character sa One Piece. And super cute ng suot ni Zoro. Ito yung outfit niya dun sa episode kung saan kalaban nila si Kaido sa Wano Arc. I purchased this cute stuffed toy keychain for 1,900 yen. Siguro if i-convert siya sa Philippine peso, medyo around 700 pesos siguro. And super cute niya, super ganda ng pagkakagawa, talagang high quality. And syempre, mas cute siya kesa sa mga labubo nyo. Bala ko din sana bumili ng same na character ni Luffy kaso lang hindi ko bet yung design niya. Gusto ko kasing bilhin is yung Nika version ni Luffy kaso hindi siya available sa store. And that's all for today's video. See you on my next vlog. Bye!